As of my last update, the main airport in Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, had been undergoing upgrades and expansions over the years to accommodate the growing number of travelers and to modernize its facilities. The new look you're referring to may involve several aspects. 1. Terminal expansion. The airport has been working on expanding its terminals to increase passenger capacity. This includes adding more gates, check-in desks, and baggage carousels to improve the flow and reduce congestion. 2. Facility upgrades. Modernization efforts often include upgrading existing facilities with the latest technology for security, check-in, and navigation throughout the airport. This can also involve aesthetic enhancements to make the airport more appealing and comfortable for travelers. 3. Retail and dining options. Airports globally have been improving their retail and dining spaces to offer a wider variety of shopping and food choices. Suvarnabhumi Airport has a range of options from luxury brands to local Thai products, as well as a variety of restaurants and cafes. 4. Digitalization. Efforts to incorporate digital solutions, such as self-service kiosks, automated immigration processes, and mobile applications to provide real-time flight information, are part of giving the airport a more modern feel. 5. Sustainability initiatives. Airports are increasingly adopting sustainable practices, which may include energy-efficient lighting and air conditioning, water conservation measures, and waste reduction programs. 6. Art and culture exhibitions. Airports like Suvarnabhumi often showcase local art and cultural exhibitions to give travelers a sense of place and to beautify the terminals. 7. Lounge refurbishments. Airline lounges and common-use VIP lounges may also get a facelift to provide more luxurious and comfortable spaces for travelers to relax before their flights. For the most current details about Suvarnabhumi Airport's new look, you would need to check the latest press releases or updates from the Airports of Thailand, AOT, which manages the country's airports, or from news outlets reporting on the most recent developments. Keep in mind that ongoing changes may not be immediately reflected in the information available. Bangkok is served by two main airports, Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, and Don Mueang International Airport, DMK. Suvarnabhumi is the newer and larger of the two, handling most international flights, while Don Mueang primarily serves low-cost carriers and domestic flights. How can I assist you further with your travel plans or any specific information you need about these airports?